In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use the Samsung S Pen with an iPhone and whether or not it is possible to do this. There are many models of S Pen. You can purchase these separately through the Samsung website, usually referred to as a stylus, or you can find them included with the Samsung Galaxy series, usually on the Ultra model. So you can find them on the Samsung 23 Ultra, 24 Ultra, 25 Ultra, and so on. Can you use these styluses on other devices? For Samsung devices, they are fully interchangeable, so you can swap between a tablet, an Ultrabook, a smartphone, and they are going to be detected and usable right away. However, if you try to do this with an iPhone, nothing will work. As you might be aware, Apple has its own line of styluses, the Apple Pencil. However, these are limited to iPads only. Can you use the S Pen with an iPhone, an iPad, or other devices? Well, the answer is no. The Samsung S Pen, any model, either the ones that you purchase separately or the ones included with smartphones, are only usable for Samsung devices. Anything outside of that ecosystem is not compatible. The tip is different, the hardware inside of the pen is different, and you cannot just freely swap it between devices. You might be able to do basic gestures like using the screen, swiping, and so on, but advanced features like gestures that you can do, pressing the buttons, issuing commands, downloading different applications is not going to be usable. The only officially licensed Apple stylus is the Apple Pencil, and this one must be used with an iPad. It doesn't even work with an iPhone, so keep all of that in mind. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of this Samsung S Pen and how it is not compatible with iOS devices. If this video cleared up your questions, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.